Good morning, students. Once again, welcome back to the EVS class. Dear students, already you know that we have started revision for the exam portion. Is it, dear students? In the previous class, already I have started learning about lesson number 1, Home Sweet Home. Is it, dear student? Dear student, for this exam, I am going to give 4 lessons for the exam. Is it? So you have to do, I will also do revision on all the 4 lessons. That is, first lesson is Home Sweet Home, second lesson is Our Food, and third lesson is Air We Breathe, and fourth lesson, that is fourth lesson, that is water sources. Okay, dear student? So already we have started doing revision on first lesson. In the first lesson, already I have completed fill in the blanks and draw lines to match correctly. Okay, dear student? So in the first lesson, in the first part, we have learned that fill in the blanks with correct word. That is, we should keep our house clean. Second one, cement, steel and bricks are used to make pakka houses. And third one is carpenter makes the windows of a house. Okay, these things we have learned, and match the following also we have learned. That is, first one is igloo, and this will match to cold region. Second one, tent, it will match to temporary houses. Third one, mixing of cement, this will match to mason. Fourth one, architect, this will match to draw designs. And the fifth one, good home, will match to proper ventilation. Okay, dear student, already we have discussed about this in the previous class. And in the today's class, I am going to do revision on that is part C, true or false. Okay, dear students, you know that already we have learned A part, that is fill in the blanks with correct word. B part, draw lines to match correctly. Now I will take the revision of C, that is true false. Okay, part C, that is true or false. First we have to read the sentence. If it is correct, we will put a right mark. If the sentence is wrong, we will put a wrong mark. Okay, dear students, the first sentence is, a mason designs the house. Mason designs the house. Is it a right sentence? No, because mason is a worker. He will mix the cement, he will construct the building. But dear student, designs, who will design the house? Here architecture or architect. So mason designs the house is a wrong one. Okay, masons designs the house is a wrong one. Next, dear student, the next sentence is, in places with heavy rains, houses have sloping roofs. Yes, dear student, while explaining the lesson, I have told you, wherever the cold region, the houses are there in the cold region, they are having slopy roof. Why they are having slopy roof? Because continuously rain is falling or continuously snowfall is there. So plain roofs are not working there. Slopy roofs are there, means the water can easily fall down. Understand? So here they allow water and snow to flow down to the ground. Because of that, the houses are slopy roofs. So this sentence is correct one. Next sentence is third one. A house should be airy and bright. A house should be airy and bright. Yes, the house compulsory it should be airy and bright. Okay, so this is also a right sentence. Understand, dear student? First one, a mason designs the house is a wrong sentence. Second one, in places with heavy rains, houses have sloping roofs is a right sentence. Third one, a house should be airy and bright is a right sentence. Okay, dear student. Now, dear student, the next part we will learn, that is answer in one or two words. Dear student, first question is, name two important things needed to build a strong house. Here, while explaining the lesson, I have told you strong house or permanent house, weak house or temporary house. Okay, here strong house means it is a permanent house. And what are the things needed to building a strong house? Yes, dear student, nowadays everywhere strong houses are only building. You know that what are the materials needed to build the house? Cement, brick, steel, okay, water, sand. So these are the things needed for to build the strong house. You can write any two. See here, I have written cement and brick. You may write steel also, sand also. Okay, dear student. So this is the correct, means you can write anything. Cement, brick, steel, sand, water, wood. Okay, so you can write these things. So the answer is cement, brick. Whatever means any two things you can write. Next question is, who fixes the lights and fans in a house? Yes, dear student, in the house also, in your home also, just you will see, whenever anything repair work is there about the current, who will come to your house? An electrician. Here, the lights and fans, who fixes in the house? Electrician. Yes, I have written the answer here. Electrician. So, electrician do this all work. Okay, lights and fans he will fix in the house. Next, dear students, question number 3 is, what kind of roofs do houses in cold places have? Yes, dear student, just now I have explained you in the true false. In places with heavy rains, houses have sloping roofs. Here also the answer is sloping roofs. Understand? The answer is sloping roofs. Yes? What kind of roofs do houses in cold places have? Sloping roofs. Understand? Yes, dear student. The next question is, answer in a sentence. Okay? Here question number 1 is, why do we need a house? Yes, dear student. Why do we need a house? Yes, we need a house to live in. ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಮನೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಬೇಕು? ನಾವು ವಾಸಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. After the school, where you are all going? Yes, we will all go to our house. Yes, we all need a house to live in, and a house protect us from heat, cold, rain from the outside. Understand, dear student? A house protect us from heat, cold, rain, wind, and also thieves and wild animals. Understand, dear student? Now, question number 2 is, write about any two kinds of houses. Yes, here many types of houses we have seen. Dear students, many types of houses we have seen, like temporary houses, permanent houses, or houseboats, tents, stilts, igloos, caravan. But we have to write about two kind of houses. Yes, dear student, I will explain you about temporary houses. Here temporary houses, these are made of mud, wood and straw, and they are also called as huts. And where you will find these type of houses? Mostly we will find these type of houses in the villages, and temporary houses are not very strong. Understand? And second house is about the permanent house. I will explain. Permanent houses or pakka houses are made of bricks, stones, cement, wood and steel. Okay, and these are very strong. Understand, dear students? Now, question number 3 is list 2 ways to keep the house clean. Dear students, here we should miss many things are there. So, you have to write any 2 of this. We should keep the house neat and tidy by keeping things in their proper place. And we should clean all the rooms of the house regularly. And what will happen by this? This would keep cockroaches, flies and mosquitoes out of the house. Okay, dear student? So, these are the question answers we have discussed in this class. So, hope you all are understanding about the evaluate part revision of lesson number 1, that is fill in the blanks, draw the lines to match correctly, state true or false, answer in 1 or 2 words and answer in a sentence. Okay, dear student, till here today I will stop. And what are the things we have discussed in the today's class, that all you write once again in your homework book. Okay, dear student, take care, bye bye.